everybody. I'm Meg.
And I'm Dave.
And this is Quarantinis
with Meg and Dave.
We have a special edition of Quarantinis today. You can see our setup's a little different. So today, Dave is actually going to take the reins on this one. What are we making today, Dave?
Today we are going to make a beer shake. If you've never made a beer shake, you're missing out. Because there are a lot of beers that make great milkshakes. Today we're going to do it with my personal favorite, some Delirium on the table. This is the Delirium Red right here. Hey, alright. Delirium Red is a cherry and elderberry infused version of Tremens, which is our golden strong ale.
Yum.
Not only that, being a strong ale, it's 8% alcohol, so it'll hit you pretty damn hard, and it goes down way too easy.
Yum.
Very yum. So, alright, we're going to put in the liquid first, so crack that sucker open. I'll have Meg pour that out. So again, Delirium Red is cherry and elderberry over our classic Tremens. It's not a sour beer, it's just a fruit beer, so you're not going to get super tartness out of it. The elderberry is in there to round out the tartness of the cherries. It's a phenomenal beer. If you've never had it, by all means, go pick it up at your nearest bottle shop. It's always available, especially during this time when you need a good beer to get you through the evening and through the day.
And if you don't know where to get it, we know a guy, so just private message us and we'll let you know.
Exactly. I can find it anywhere, so... Alright.
Gentle.
Gentle scoops. There's 1. 2. 3. And 4. You think 4 is enough?
I think.
You think 4 is enough?
Good try.
We'll try 4, so.
Alright.
Awesome.
Put that on our mixer, on our blender.
And blend. Alright guys, so we blended. We actually had to add a few more scoops of ice cream to make it a little thicker. Wow, beautiful. Look at that. Nice pale pink color. Awesome, look at that. Cheers, babe.
Cheers. It's different. It's not overly sweet, like you would think a milkshake would be. You still get that beer taste to it.
That's perfect.
That is a grown-up dessert drink.
So again, 1 can of red, Delirium Red, and I'd say about 4.5 scoops of ice cream, blended, poured into your very own branded glassware.
Or whatever. Or into like a teacup so that nobody knows what it is.
Exactly. And enjoy, guys. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Cheers.
Cheers.